Hi, good morning. This is WAG Chicago. Today is February 17th, 2021, 2021. And I'm just going to lump this in with the dark winter because it is what it is. So, believe it or not. Um, but I want to show you what I was talking about with the frequencies over the weekend that we're seeing in the United States. Now, this video, I don't even have this published. It was May 27, 2020 at 2 p.m. I was going to publish it. It's sitting in my private stash. So when I tell you the beams are 140 miles, I'm going to show you why in a minute. This is a beam coming out of a NextRad site. I believe it's in the Midwest here. This is the one I was telling you. When I first started watching these around, right around the time this Karachi came out, it was right at the turn of 2019, going into 2020. For some reason, we started getting all this radar blips and anomalies, as they're called, or phenomenon maybe. And it's for a certain letter and a number before it, is what even the air traffic controllers were complaining. They were getting interference with the testing on some of their frequencies for airplane traffic. But I don't know. So now, the reason I had to go through my archives is because you can't find this. They fine-tuned the radar. So obviously a few of us, and I got tons of videos. I did publish these, and they're in live streams though. So I'm digging through those because I wanted you to see this. This is a beam that's going and reaching out and touching someone. Okay, so let me show you how far that is. I'm gonna pause here because I gotta move around this video. It's an 8-minute video. Stand by. All right, here I'm measuring in this video. This line, there was one going about northeast here. That one's 98 miles. And then out of the same center of the radar, there's the one I just showed you the close-up of. And that one, I believe, is 138 miles. Let's go back a little bit. Let's see here. You can see I was measuring it right here. So there it is. Let's play this. They draw it out. And you can see the other striations. They were doing one off a radar unit up here, too. So they're pivoting point to point. This one is literally, or this one was coming out of this beam to this one. They were doing their practice runs for the dark winter right here. Because you could steer it. You could see how they steered it. I just showed you guys Saturday how they made the giant 1,000-mile cloud make a hard right turn over California. Or they didn't. Maybe it didn't happen. Maybe we're just dreaming this. So this is 130-something miles. I'm going to type it out here in a second on the screen. I'm watching it. I'm playing it. Again, that's doing the wrong one. This is why I didn't want to do this while I was talking. Here we go. 134 miles. Reach out and touch someone. You know what I'm saying? So there's that. I don't know what else to say. The problem is I can't show you this now because they've filtered the radar where you can't see it. Or they don't use it no more. Now we're catching it on the NextRad radar, but not this defined like this. So stand by. Let's take a look at the current. Let's see if they're still doing that stuff in the Mexico border. Hang on. I just want to give another view of this bad boy. Yeah, stand by. Real quick before I switch to today's February 17th radar. A reminder, this is May 27, 2020. It's not the current radar, but I want to show you these little doohickeys. And up here in the upper right corner, you're going to see a few flashing. They were talking. This is all the same night. It's like these things are signaling each other. Here they come up here. Coming out of Canada, Montreal. They're all in on it. See, and that just so happens to be all along the edge of this dark winter thing that's happening for, what, 2 weeks now almost? Yeah. You'll see the lines in here. They're real hard to find nowadays because they're really filtering this stuff out. So, just wanted you to see that. Stand by. All right. Fast forward to today, February 17th, 2021. Right up here. This has been going on since, what, Saturday? The strange radar signatures that are now further south in New Mexico. So that's not mountains deflecting the radar and causing a weird. Yeah. Yep. And now there's another storm hitting Texas again tonight. Like, this is just nonstop. Yeah, who could have predicted this? All right, stand by. I think I'm missing a regional. There's one usually here. I have to go all the way out to the ocean now to get any of that radar. They're cutting it off. If I'm not mistaken, hang on. All this is blending together because I'm looking at my older clips too. Stand by. All right. Oh, look at this. Whoa. We got our next rad right here. You see how it's flaring out? All these, all of this. So that's how you can see it from above. There's one here, it looks like, one here. Well, let's see what it does here. Internet's running really slow today. Dark winter. They shut the internet down. Remember back in June, or not June, a couple months ago? Remember Google shut down? No, you don't. I have a video of that up there too. Anyways, something really weird's going on here. This is the last 12 hours, and then we still got the activity down at the border. Huh. And then all of this static. The entire state of California, it's like your air is charged up. That sizzle, that popcorn, whatever they're doing. Yeah. I'm sure it's not bad for your body. No. Maybe it's nothing. Maybe this is all just anomalies that the radar, because it's billions and billions of dollars of equipment, just isn't reading right. That could be it. Or not. I don't even know what to say about it. Like, this is all told to you way ahead of time. And this storm is lasting how long now? Yeah. Weird nature, huh? And they're going to blame this on your climate change, by the way. Because everybody believes the mask, so, or the muzzle, whatever you, however you wear it. So that was so easy that this is going to be very easy. They're going to blame this on the Arctic or fish, whatever. Somebody's going to be at fault for this. Not them. Yeah, this world is getting really weird, man. The fact that you can't see patterns or see things sticking out that don't look right. And when they do, you double down, you triple down, you quadruple down. Meaning you're putting mask after layer mask, another layer mask, just to prove you're not wrong. Even though it's very easy to prove you're being tricked. Yeah, this doesn't look not normal. I mean, there's static everywhere. Yeah. Let's take a look at the one last look at the whole country here. This just doesn't. Look at all this popcorning. None of this is normal. There's no clouds here. Like, what are they doing? I don't know. I'm not a meteorologist. I just noticed patterns, and this doesn't look normal. There's also like a one missing in there too. Maybe it's a mountain. I guess there's a mountain down here. There's mountains up here. Maybe the mountains are making all this static. Look, now my computer's so slow. All right, I'm just going to end this. This is getting very aggravating. This is Wag Chicago. I don't know what else to tell you. Just hope you're ready because I think 13 states and now are doing rolling. But There's no reason anybody's doing rolling blackouts, by the way. Zero. None of it makes sense. 80% of I think it's 80% of Texas is on nuclear power plants and coal. Like, why are they shutting down? That doesn't even make sense. They're not telling you it's power lines falling. That would make sense. You notice it's not because power lines are down.